Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be having a lot of fun. We will be investigating whether air or water are compressible. And we're already starting with some big words. Compressible, that means if something can squeeze or be squashed into a smaller space. Alright, so firstly we'll be looking at something we call hydraulics and pneumatics. Pneumatic systems use air and hydraulic systems use liquids to do a task or job. The hydraulic systems that we work with at school are similar to the hydraulic systems used in brake systems and vehicles. And you know when you change a tire on a car, the jack that's used to lift the vehicle, that's also a hydraulic system. Most hydraulic systems use mineral oils. Now, that can get a bit hazardous and messy. So today we'll be investigating with air and water. We'll be using red coloring in water so that you can see what's actually going on. So let's start with our first investigation. Is air or water compressible? So to do these experiments, you'll need clear plastic tubing and 2 syringes of the same size. So let's start with air. Alright, so now you'll be pulling the plunger of both syringes to the same volume. And you must make sure that they are both at the same volume. And then insert the tips of the syringes into the ends of the connecting tube. If you struggle with this, just open the ends of the tube with a pencil. That works like a charm. This system is filled with air. So therefore, yeah, you got it. This is a pneumatic system. Okay, grab and hold the syringe in each hand and place a finger on each plunger. Next, press lightly and equally on the plungers. What happens? Did you see that both plungers move down the tubes a little? Now, press harder and equally on the plungers. What happens? Both plungers move further down the tubes. Can you feel and see that the air in the syringes and tubes is being squashed or compressed? You see, now that's when we say air is compressible. Alright, so now that we're done with air in the pneumatic systems, we'll be having a look at hydraulic systems, which use liquids. Use exactly the same setup as before, but now fill the syringes and connecting tube with water. Hold a syringe in each hand with a finger on each plunger as in the previous investigation. Now press lightly and equally on the plungers once again, and what happens? Nothing happens here. Now press a little harder and equally on the plungers. What happens? Again, nothing happens. Can you see and feel that the water in the syringes and the tube is not being squashed no matter how hard you try? Therefore, we say that water is incompressible.